Hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is B, it's B's Kitchen. Karibuni sana. So today I'll be baking a lemon cake, and these are the ingredients I'll be using. I have a sugar, I have a baking powder, there's the lemon essence, we have the eggs, we have the measuring cups, we have the flour on the other side, we have the milk, the oil, and salt. So stick around as I mix up everything. Yeah, and I'll be using my blender to mix everything because my mixer is spoiled. So yeah, it still can work. So let's stick around and see the outcome. Karibuni sana. So I'll start by breaking my eggs and put them in the blender, which I've already done. There we go, those are 3 eggs. Then I'm going to measure 250 grams of sugar. There we go. I'm going to mix this up in my blender and get a smooth paste. I'm going to add in salt. Just a pinch of salt. That's enough. I'm going to add in 120 grams of cooking oil. $120. There we go. You put it inside your blender. We are mixing up everything. Get the whole amount out. There. Then I'm going to go in with 120 ml, no, 150 ml of milk. Then I give it another good mix. I'm going to add in my milk. Then I'm going to give it another good mix so that everything can mix up again. So I'm going to squeeze in my lemon juice. Here we go. Squeezed my lemon juice. I'm going to add in some lemon peels there. I'm going to give it another good mix. Before I mix, I'm also going to add in my lemon essence. Then I'm going to mix. I'm going to sieve in my flour, 1 cup. We're going to use baking powder, 1.5 spoonful of baking powder. There we go. 1.5. That's enough. Then we blend it more. We allow everything to mix up. So now it's time to grease the pan. I'm going to pour a bit of oil and grease the pan that I'll be using. Here we go. This is the outcome here. Looking so nice and so thick. Look at that. Look at that. This is what you wanted. This is what you were looking for. There. So we're going to pour all this into our baking dish. There, we let out everything. There we go. So I'm just going to preheat my oven so that we can start baking. So here I'll be baking at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. There we go. All hot, all warm. So here we go. I'm going to put in my cake. There. We give it 30 minutes, we'll be back. There we go. After 30 minutes, our cake is well done. This is a lemon cake, and you're ready to feast. Here, So I'm going to get it out of the oven here. Oh my god, yeah. There we go. Look at that. Oh god, it's looking so nice and lovely. Oh my goodness, look at that.